Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the next lecture of IIT JEE Mains PYQ series. In this video lecture, I'll discuss this question from the topic set theory. Okay, and this question came in 2023 IIT JEE Mains in 24 January, the first shift. Okay, so I'll discuss without further ado. Let lambda belongs to R, change the pen color. Let lambda belongs to R and let the equation E, it is given by this one, equal to 0, then the largest element in the set S. And what is our set S? Set S is x plus lambda such that x belongs to Z, solution, and x is solution of E. Actually, x is an integer solution of E. Okay. Now, what is our equation we have actually? Mod of x square minus 2 mod of x plus lambda minus mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 0 we have. Okay. So actually it is a quadratic in mode function we observe. So what I need to do here, mod of x equals to t, I'll assume here. So we transform our equation as t minus 2t plus mod of lambda minus 3 equal to 0. Actually I will rewrite this equation. How? By completing square method, I'll write here minus 2t plus 1 mod lambda minus 3 as it is minus 1 equal to 0. So we observe that t minus 1 whole square plus mod lambda minus 3 equals to 1 we have. Now replace t by mod x. What we have? Mod x minus 1 whole square plus lambda minus 3 equals to 1 we have. We need to find what is our x. X belongs to Z and lambda belongs to R. Actually they are asking the maximum value of this expression x plus lambda. Okay, so here first of all by the hit and trial method I'll find the solution of this equation. So here observe that mod function is here, mod of x minus 1 whole square plus this one. So this is non-negative term, this is also non-negative term, and their sum is came equals to 1. So first I'll choose x equals to 0, I will choose. If I choose x equal to 0 and I put it here, then what we get? Lambda minus 3, that is plus 1 equals to 1. So lambda minus 3 equals to 0, and here what we get? Lambda equals to 3. Okay, so if we have, if x equal to 0 solution for which we got lambda equals to 3. Now if I choose x equals to 1, okay, then we got mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 1, and we already know if mod of x equals to alpha, then how many solution we have? X equal to plus minus alpha, because plus alpha satisfy this equation and minus alpha also satisfy this equation. So here same thing, lambda minus 3 equals to plus minus 1. So we get two values of lambda. What we get? One is 4, another one is that is 3 minus 1, 2 value. Okay, that is first case, second case complete. Now the third case is, if I put x equals to 2, so if I put x equal to 2, 2 minus 1 whole square plus lambda minus mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 1, and we observe that this case is same as that of the first case, that is, but that is the lambda value is same. So what we get? Lambda equals to 3 again. Okay. Now fourth case, if lambda equals to, now I'll increase the values 0, 1, 2, 3. Hit and trial I'm doing here. Lambda equals, if I am choosing x equal to 3, if I am choosing x equal to 3, we observe that 3 minus 1 whole square plus lambda minus 3 whole square, lambda minus 3 equals to 1, and it will be 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, that is we get 4. Okay. So what we have, mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 1 and mod of lambda minus 3 equals to minus 3. But we observe that which is not possible. Why so? Because mod function is always greater than equal to 0. Its value is always greater than equal to 0. So here it is not possible. It means that x equal to 3, 4, x not equal to 3, 4, 5 up to so on. It means from here what we get, only 0, 1 or 2. How many integral solution we get on the right side? 0, 1 and 2. Now the fifth case is on the negative side, x equals to minus 1 I am choosing. Minus 1, what we have, if I am putting in that equation, the equation is mod of x minus 1, mod of x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So minus 1 mod of minus 1 whole square plus mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 1, and what we get here, 0 plus mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 1, and again we got lambda equals to the, lambda minus 3 equals to the plus minus 1, and we get here lambda equals to 4 and lambda equals to 2 we have here. Okay. Now this is our case. Sixth case we are going. For the sixth case we have, if x equals to, I decrease one value again, minus 2, that is 2 minus 2 of mod of minus 1 whole square plus mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 1. So what we have, 2 minus 1 whole square plus mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 1. So mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 0, and hence lambda we got 3. Okay. Here is also fixed. Here is also fixed or not? Okay. One value we got from here. If I put x equals to minus 2 only. Now if I increase again here, seventh case, if I increase x equals to, seventh case I am taking here, x equals to minus 3 I will put here, mod of minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus mod of lambda minus 3 equal to 1, then what we get here, we get 4 plus mod of lambda minus 3 equals to 1, and which is again not possible. Okay. So how many possibility we get here? Now I am writing, I will write briefly all the cases. The first case is when x equals to 0 I am choosing. Okay. For x equal to 0, what the lambda value I got? From here I will write first, second, third case. Yeah, this one. X equal to 0 if I am putting, for 0 we get lambda value is 3. Okay. If x value is 0, then what will the lambda value is? Lambda value is 3. Second case, if x value is 1 I put here, then what will be the lambda values? Again I am finding what the lambda value is. X equal to 1, then lambda value is 4 and 2. Two values I got here. Okay. That is 4 and 2. Okay. If I put 1. Okay. Now if I put lambda x equal to 2, then again lambda value is 3. same value we got. Third case is if x is 2, then lambda value is 3, same case. The fourth one is x value is minus 1, then lambda value is, I think again 4 and 2 will get, you got or not? At minus 1, 4 and 2, yeah, 4 and 2. And fifth case is, sorry, this is fifth one case and this is sixth one case. If x value is minus 2, okay, and lambda values again we got 3. So here how many solution we get? Actually first of all I will complete the solution, what they ask actually. X plus lambda value from here 3, from here we got 5 and 3, okay, and from here what we get? 5, from here we get 4 minus 1 3 and 2 minus 1 1, and from here we get 5. So the maximum value of x plus lambda is, the maximum value of x plus lambda is 5. So the answer is 5 of this question. Answer is 5 of this question, okay. But it may possible here they are asking the largest element in the set S. It may possible they were asking minimum element in the set S. So minimum element in the set S is, how we can find the minimum element? The same procedure is this one. Here the minimum element you can observe it is 1. So the minimum element, minimum value of x plus lambda is 1. It may possible they will ask here how many, these are the additional things. I'll write here, wait, additional, okay. So what we have here actually, minimum element, minimum, they will ask about minimum element. So minimum element is 1. It may possible they will ask how many solution we have exactly. So we have 5 solutions, 5. How many solution we have? 5 solution we have, okay. Third one is, they may be asked how many values of lambda are possible. So how many values of lambda are possible? 1, 2, 3. So 3 values of lambda are possible for 3 values of lambdas are possible, yeah, 3 values of lambdas are possible. And what are the values? 2, 4, 3, okay. So like that they will change the question here. It may be possible in place of lambda minus 3 they may be given 2 lambda minus 5, 3 lambda minus 4, like that, okay. If they change here something, I'll change the color. It may be possible they will change here something, okay. If they change here something, then you can do the same process we need to do, same process, okay. So I hope you understand this question. If you have any doubt, then you can do comments. Thank you for watching.